Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is intended for use on devices and browsers that you own or are authorized to manage. Do not use the information shown in this video to bypass security policies or restrictions on school, work, or other managed devices. Always follow your organization's rules and applicable laws. Today, I'll show you how to disable almost any admin or school extension using two different methods. Stay until the end to find out which method works best. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to IU.PRIYANSHU for more tech tutorials. Let's get started. In your bookmarks bar, right click and select Add Page. Give it any name you like. In the URL field, type JavaScript alert hi. Save the bookmark. Then click it to see how a simple JavaScript bookmarklet works. This is a basic example used for learning and testing JavaScript in your own browser. As you can see, an alert saying hi just popped up. If you didn't see the hi pop-up, make sure you're on a website and then try again. If it still doesn't work, don't worry, we'll move on to method 2, which works in more situations. Stay tuned. From here, you can manage your installed browser extensions. You can enable, disable, or remove extensions you installed yourself. Always make sure you have permission before changing settings on a managed school or work device. As you can see, Greasy Fork is currently blocked on this managed browser. This usually happens because the device or browser is managed by a school or organization, which can restrict certain websites and extensions. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you'd like to learn more browser tips and tricks, check out method 2 using the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to IU.PRIYANSHU, and I'll see you in the next video.